Hola, Erica here. I bought a lot of stuff from BEIS and I wanted to do another review video and tell you if it's worth the hype or not. This video is going to be covering everything that's not bags or luggage. If you do want to see bags and luggage, then take a look in the video description below because I have some good review videos for you. Alright, let's get started. The first item I'm going to be reviewing is the Beisics laptop pouch. Wow, this actually surprised me. It's my favorite laptop pouch now. It is so padded, it's really nice, and what I love about it is that it's really sleek. It has a really nice wrist strap right here, so if you want to be portable, you just grab this and you just go to your coffee shop. Also, I love that the zipper is good quality. You hear that? That is awesome quality. Also, I love that the zipper is not that sticky material. It is wonderful. So anytime zippers have that sticky material, you know it's gonna get kind of yucky a little bit later. And the good thing about this laptop pouch is I just put it in my BEIS Mini Weekender or any type of weekender bag, and when I'm going through security, when I'm at the airport, all I do is leave everything horizontal. I'll pull my laptop out and then I just put it back in without having to rearrange any of my stuff. You can see the inside is nice quality material. It's super padded without being bulky, but you see how thin that is? Awesome. Also, this color is the beige color and it's still not even that dirty. Look how awesome this is. If I did get it dirty, I would just spot clean it with some cleaning spray, but when you put it in a backpack or put it in your luggage, it's not gonna get that dirty anyways, so if you want a nice color, feel free to get beige and not have to think that you only need black. The stitching quality is really great, and I like that you could take the clasp off the D-ring right here. All right, now that is a laptop pouch. The next item that is definitely worth it, and I feel like when it comes to little bags, you can get this anywhere, but when it comes to really cute ones and really good quality bags, I feel like these are quite a steal. So this is called the Mesh Pouch Trio. Wow, really great material, and I love this so much that I ended up getting 3 more. So now I have the beige ones and the black ones. So let me just show you real quick. These are really nice mesh pouches, and it's see-through here, but not like a super cheesy kind of see-through. And I like that it says BEIS here. On the back, it's just black, has really nice details through here. And of course, the zipper is awesome. These all house really nicely in each other. So when you want to put them away, you will just put them like this and zip it shut. These guys sell out a lot, so if you ever see these on the website, definitely snag yourself a set. Also, I love that the zippers are metal and they're not that sticky material. I'm a big fan of good zippers. Great zipper. I just want to show you what I normally put in these little pouches. So this pouch is really nice. This is the smallest one. You could put a bunch of stuff in here. Here's a full metal mirror. Here's my AirPod leash right here. Rubber band, hair stuff, Apple AirTag. I put my lotion in here. You could just fit a lot of stuff in here without having to worry that your stuff is falling everywhere. The medium size, I always like putting my sleep mask in here whenever I'm traveling. This is the Manta sleep mask. I have a lot of review videos on this one, but this is a really nice size. And for the large pouch, I have this as my tech bag, and it just fits a lot of things in here without it being really messy. So Mesh Pouch Trio, highly recommend. Get them in whatever color you want because if it gets dirty, it's easy to clean. All right, the next item, when I first got it, I thought it was gonna be smaller, so when I received it, I actually didn't like it that much, but once I started using it and I started putting my things in it, I actually really liked it. This is called the Cosmetic Pouch Set. So it is a lot bigger than what you would think. And on the website, they don't always have the model there. So if you want a good size, here it is, just like this. This is called the Cosmetic Pouch Set. It comes with 2. They fit really nicely in each other, and they are really good quality. At first, I just didn't like how big it was, but when you actually see what you put in here, then I actually love the size. I love the zippers. Of course, we have the metal zippers, and they zip so nice. And then here is the nice stitching. I don't know what this is, but it's really cute. I feel like BEIS pays really good attention to detail. Also, it's vegan leather, but not the kind of vegan leather that feels sticky. So here we go. I'm gonna open it up and show you what I have in here. The awesome thing in here is that it has zippers. It also has another zipper. Here's the inside of the bigger one, and I really like that they have a zipper divider in here. Also, it's kind of plasticky in there, so if you spill anything or if you want to put makeup in here, it's going to be really easy to clean. Same with the rest of the material in the bag. So here's 2 large items I put in here. These are full-size items, and then I have my white noise machine, and I have some macro bars in here. I have my luggage weigher. I just threw a lot of random stuff in here, but if you wanted to use this for toiletries or you just wanted to use it for snacks, it's really nice because when you fill it up, it's actually not gonna be that thick. So it's a really nice size to slide in your backpack. Also, it's nice and slippery, so when you want to take it in and out of your backpack or in and out of your mini weekender bag, it's going to be nice and not catching everything on the way out. All right, this is the inside of the big bag. Then here's the little one. The little one houses itself really nicely inside the big bag. There you go. And let me show you what's inside this one right here. This is the smaller one. The detail is beautiful. I'm gonna open it up. Also, this color is called Atlas Pink. Very good. They have a lot of colors on their website. Here are the things I put in this little bag right here. I have some serums for your face, and then I have some stuff for your hair. This is just Vegamore stuff. And then I also have a face wash as well as a lip cream. So here we go. And there's also a nice little pouch right here if you wanted to put bobby pins or rubber bands, nail clippers. This is a really good size. I would say this smaller size would be probably too big for a normal purse, but if you had one of those regular tote bags, you could just put your girly stuff in here and then take it out when you want. It looks really nice and I would recommend. All right, this is the Cosmetic Pouch Set. All right, the next item is the Cosmetic Case. It looks like this. I really like it because it's nice and cube size. However, it is a little on the pricey side. If you are not willing to spend this much money on this one, then linked below is gonna be my actual favorite toiletries bag ever. But what I use this bag for is to actually hold all of my Lashify stuff at my house. So I put my full LED mirror in here, all my lashes, all my bonds and glues, and I love it because you can actually stack stuff on top of it. It's really good quality. The zippers, of course, are good quality and metal, super smooth, you hear that? And then when you open it up, if you like to wear makeup and you have face brushes and stuff, or makeup brushes, this thing's really cool because when you open it up, it's magnetic and you can actually put your brushes in these pouches right here. And then you have this plastic thing to cover it with this little strap to go right over it. Really nice design. On the other side, you have something flat, so if you wanted to put pimple patches in here, that would be perfect. Also, if you don't want to put this in your bag, like I don't usually have it in my bag when I'm traveling, I just take it out and it's just nice because it magnetically clips. The other cool thing about this cosmetic case is it comes with a nice mirror right here. Really good quality mirror, nice and shiny and very sleek. It fits really nicely in this pouch in the front. Inside is nice slippery material, so if you wanted to have some lotions or whatever and something spilled, it'd be really easy to clean. The handle is really nice as well, and I really feel like instead of using this bag as a cosmetic bag, because I already have my other favorite one, I feel like this would be a really great bag just to put tech items in, like a camera or maybe some stuff for your cell phone. It's really, really good quality. One item I've been really enjoying lately is this in-flight cosmetic set. So anything that comes in a set is pretty cool because you get two. I really love that these in-flight cosmetic sets are clear so you can see everything that you put in here. It doesn't have to be cosmetic stuff, it could also be tech as well. The plastic here is really good quality and it's not sticky. And the zipper, of course, metal and really good quality. Really nice handle. This one's not that vegan leather one. It's more of a vinyl material, but it's really nice. This color is maple and you can see the stitching is just so good. Usually I don't like to buy anything with a lot of clear plastic on it because I feel like it can look kind of tacky, but the way that BEIS does it seems more classy than tacky. Also, a really important detail to me, and this is how I know that BEIS knows what they're doing, is when you see those plastic ones with the zipper, they normally have the zipper on the plastic, right? And that's how the bag's gonna wear out right away or it's gonna tear. But what BEIS does is they have the zipper on actual material and then the plastic is sewed in to the material. So it's not the zipper on the plastic. That's really good. All right, opening this guy up, I have all my Japanese skincare in here, and it is a lot. So listen here. I don't know why I did it like that. I accidentally spilled a little bit right there, but the good thing about this whole bag is that the lining here and the lining here is all easy to wipe down. By the way, if you're looking at the size, here it is on my body, okay? And this guy will actually fit in this guy perfectly. So, hold on one sec. Boom. So if you want to see all the stuff you could fit in the cosmetic case, it is this whole other bag inside this one. All right, so this one's a big one. This one's a little one. I love the little one so much. I have this with me in my personal item, which is the bag you have underneath your seat on the plane. It is just so cute. So, of course, awesome metal zippers. Open it up, It also has a nice metal mirror, really good quality. I have toothbrush, I have contact stuff, my glasses. You can fit a lot of things in here. And it's so nice because when you're on the plane, it's so hard to see things because it's so dark. So you put your little flashlight on and then it's just so nice you can see everything in here. On the BEIS website, it does say this is TSA approved, but they don't really specify if this is TSA approved for liquids, like the quart size bag. So I usually don't put my liquids in here until after I've gone through security. I still like to put all my liquids in a quart size zip bag. But look how nice that is. I can see I have my cocoa floss in there, my deodorant, my eyeball stuff. I can see my tampons. It's just really wonderful. But I highly recommend the in-flight cosmetic set. All right, this next item has been on the BEIS website for a really long time. It's called the Dopp Kit. So this is the Dopp Kit. It's kind of like the mini weekender without the handles. So it has like that bottom compartment, really, really gorgeous zipper. It's metal and really good quality. This zipper is metal and is really good quality too. It has a nice little loop here so you can put this not around your wrist, but the towel rack is really nice. It is a clasp opening and then you close it. The material is just like the mini weekender, like almost exactly. It's basically a baby mini weekender. All right, so the perfect item that I found fits in here. You could put a lot of things in here, but I finally used this item for my Dyson Airwrap. Look, this is actually perfect size. I got the Airwrap recently and I was looking for a bag and I'm like, wait a sec, I think it's gonna fit in my Dopp Kit, and it does. So this is just my Dyson Airwrap. It just fits perfectly in there. I tried the regular Dyson blow dryer and it does not fit in here. But if you wanted to put maybe just some shampoo bottles here, like full-size ones, you can totally fit that. So it's like the mini weekender with this bottom part. In the top pouch, I just put the other Dyson accessories, so I just have the little brushes, and it actually fits perfectly. So just like the mini weekender, this bag has a wire opening, so it actually stays nice and open. That part is cool. It has a pouch in the inside. The material is nice and wipeable. It has a zipper right here, as well as a little place to put your toothbrush in the zipper. This part's clear and it says toothbrush holder. No, it just says toothbrush right here. You can put a lot of stuff in here, but let me show you the part that I don't like that much, and it is just trying to close it. When you're trying to close it, I just feel like it's a little awkward. So if I just have one hand available, here I am. Actually, it's cooperating quite nicely today, but most of the time when I'm trying to zip it up, like when I'm in a rush, I am getting caught. So that's why this bag is definitely not my favorite, but I do like that it fits all my Dyson stuff in here, so I will give it another chance. BEIS team, R&D team, if you are listening, I think it'd just be a little bit better if you had maybe half an inch more right here on both sides. So then it can zip a little bit better and it's not so awkward this way, right? Like this part, if it's just a little taller, it'd be better. But that means the bag would be a little bit bigger, but I think it'd be worth it. Also, this bag is pretty big. Look how big it is on my body. Like this would be quite a big purse if you turn it into a purse. So I feel like on the website, it looks a lot smaller than it really is. This is way bigger than you would think. I wouldn't just put this in my mini weekender bag. I would be putting this in a checked bag or a carry-on. All right, the next item is a sport pack right here. And it's like a fanny pack in a way. I really like it if you use it for gym stuff, or if you're already gonna go to the dog park or something, or you're going to the beach, or you're going somewhere where there's gonna be a lot of water and spray. It is nice and wipeable. This is the black material one. It also comes with this paracord thing. I normally don't have the paracord on here because I don't think it looks that great with it, but you know, to each their own. The zipper is really nice. I love that it has this really comfortable hook through here. As far as it goes with a fanny pack, you are not able to make it tight enough. It's just gonna fall down. So it is just for your shoulder. This bag is quite comfortable if you do have to wear it for a long time. So let's say you're going on a hike, it's pretty nice. And then I do like how the back side has the zipper, so you could put your wallet in here or some kind of flat item. And then on the inside, there's a little built-in card holder. There is another zipper, And then you have a keychain holder because BEIS is all about the nice keychain holders with the D-rings and all of that. This is a really, really nice touch. Now here's the thing, this bag actually looks pretty big. Like it looks like you could fit a lot of stuff in here, but the way how it works with the design, it is more triangular in a way. So I was gonna bring this with me to Japan, and then I started putting all of my stuff in there, and it did not fit all the stuff that I wanted to fit in there in a nice flat way. So I ended up sticking with my Ride or Die, which is the Lululemon large 2-liter belt bag. So that one fit a lot of stuff in there and it didn't look as big. If you want to see how much stuff you can put in here, you know this little cosmetic pouch, you can literally just slide it in there and then zip it shut, and I can still fit a lot more right here on the corners as well as this back side right here. This paracord thing is removable, which is great because I don't actually like to wear it. And then the clasp right here is really nice. The material is thick for the strap, and you can put this bag in the wash. I would just wash it on delicate, then hang dry. And the one thing that I'm always looking for in belt bags or shoulder bags is this strap thing right here. If you can get me a little strap holder like this, then I'm gonna give you 2 extra points. So good job, BEIS, for including 2. One's gonna go right here so the strap is not moving all over the place. And then the other one is gonna go at the edge of the strap, so then this strap's not whacking you everywhere. Okay, the next item I'm reviewing is the water bottle sling. This is a nice sling because it's the same material as that other sport sling. So you can wash this in the washing machine, and I decided to get black so when we get a dog, I can go to the dog park and I can be sweaty and it won't get that dirty. I like that it has this little handle right here, and the strap is actually really comfortable. You can put it on like this, or you can put it on the side like this. You can make it shorter or longer. And the cool thing about this is you could put your phone in this front pocket. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And then inside has another pocket. So if you wanted to put like a card or some keys, that would fit really nicely in there. But even with my 15 Pro Max, there's still some space if I wanted to put maybe some dog treats or some poopy bags or something like that. This is a pretty cool bag. I would just wear this when I'm doing something active because I probably wouldn't wear this with a nicer outfit. I think it might look kind of funny. Just like the sport pack, it has the really nice handles. I love it when they do this. It's just so comfortable. I just want to play with the zipper the whole time. And then you can cinch this part around your water bottle. The material is nice and thick. It's like thick vinyl, but double or triple lined. It's vegan leather right here on the straps with the D rings right through here. This bag is really nice because you can make it really tiny and then just stick it inside whatever travel bag, or if you had like a backpack or something and you're gonna split off from the group, just having this little bag is really helpful, and it's so tiny. Now the water bottle sling is pretty cool, but one that I liked even more was the water bottle crossbody, and this is in the white and black stripe one. This will look really nice with your outfit, especially if you're wearing some kind of neutral color. If you're going to the beach, it is perfect. This bag is really comfortable to hold. You can adjust the straps through here, and it's kind of like that robe-y type material instead of that regular backpack strap material. So the details are really nice. Of course, there's the D-ring, the stitching is really good, and then the cool thing about this water bottle holder is it's slightly insulated because I believe this is neoprene inside. So here's my water bottle. It slides really nicely inside. This type of material insulates your water bottle, so if you just have a normal plastic water bottle, like let's say you're in Japan and you want to get something from the vending machine, you could put it in here and it'll keep your liquids nice and cold. You could also cinch it up nice and tight. And then one thing I really liked about this bag is there's actually space on the side right here, and then there's space on the other side right here. So if you wanted to, you can take your phone and just slide it right in there, and you can't even tell. It's actually a really cool bag. But are you ready for Chef's Kiss? It comes with a little wallet. What the heck? The wallet is connected, so you can put your cards in here. Nowhere for you to put coins, but that's okay. Look how cool this is. This was an unexpected nice touch, but you can take this off. You can put your keys on here. It's a nice type of metal and not the sticky one. I really, really like this bag. If you want to see more BEIS videos, I'm gonna link them on the screen right here.